How to start a background process in Python? I'm trying to port a shell script to the much more readable Python version. The original shell script starts several processes, utilities, monitors, etc., in the background with and. How can I achieve the same effect in Python? I'd like these processes not to die when the Python script's complete. I am sure it's related to the concept of a daemon somehow, but I couldn't find how to do this easily.
Note, this answer is less current than it was when posted in 2009. Using the subprocess module shown in other answers is now recommended in the docs. Note that the subprocess module provides more powerful facilities for spawning new processes and retrieving their results. Using that module is preferable to using these functions. If you want your process to start in the background, you can either use system and call it in the same way your shell script did, or you can spawn it. Or, alternatively, you may try the less portable os.p_nowait flag. See the documentation here.
While JKP's solution works, the newer way of doing things, and the way the documentation recommends, is to use the subprocess module. For simple commands it's equivalent, but it offers more options if you want to do something complicated. Example for your case. This will run rm a sum.file in the background. Note that calling .communicate on the object returned from Popen will block until it completes, so don't do that if you want it to run in the background. See the documentation here. Also, a point of clarification, background as you use it here is purely a shell concept. Technically, what you mean is that you want to spawn a process without blocking while you wait for it to complete. However, I've used background here to refer to shell background-like behavior.
You probably want the answer to how to call an external command in Python. The simplest approach is to use the os.system function, for example. Basically, whatever you pass to the system function will be executed the same as if you passed it to the shell in a script.
Use subprocess.popen with the close_fds equals true parameter, which will allow the spawned subprocess to be detached from the Python process itself and continue running even after Python exits. This URL.
Long to see more, please share, subscribe,